Hello students, I Manisha Sinha created this video for class 4. Students, we will continue with chapter 4 more on Microsoft Word 2016 part 3. Students, Word 2016 is a word processor that helps you to create documents with a professional outlook. It not only provides the facility to type and modify the text, but also offers features to enhance the overall appearance of the text. You can find and replace the text, set page appearance as per your need, and also preview a document before printing it. Students, today we will going to discuss a topic that is replacing the text. Earlier we have seen finding the text. If we want to search for any of the text or the phrase inside our Word document, we have seen in the earlier video. Today we will going to replace the text. If we want any replacement of the text instead of any word or phrase, we can easily replace it in our Word. How? Let us look over here. Besides searching the text, you can also replace the words or phrases with any alternate text. To replace the text, follow the given procedure as given over here. First, click on the Replace button on the Editing group on the Home tab. When you click on the Replace button, the Find and Replace dialog box will appear as shown over here in the figure. This is the Find and Replace dialog box. You can see the Replace tab is highlighted, and there are two boxes, Find What and Replace With. Now, the next step is in Find What box, type the text that you want to search for. You have to type the such kind of word what you are searching for, and in Replace With box, enter the new text to replace the existing text. So, first we have to find the text which we want to replace, and then we will type a new word in the Replace With box to replace the existing text. Click on the More button to select other options. If required, click on either Replace, Replace All, Find Next button as needed. When Word has finished searching for the word and made replacement, a message box will appear. Then click OK. Here are some note. Replace button changes the search text with a new text given in the Replace With text box. Replace All button replaces all the occurrence of the search text with the next text. Find Next button will highlight the next occurrence of the text that is it searches. Cancel button is used to close the Find and Replace dialog box. Now, let us see through an example over here, given over here. This is the Word file, and in this Word file we will search for some word. If we want to replace any word or phrase with another word or phrase, click on the Replace button in the Editing group and type in find what you are searching for. Let us find try it. Here, as you can see, try it is highlighted with red text and replace with a new text. Type over here a new text in replace with box. Just do it. When I click on replace, it will replace here are the buttons. When I click on replace, it will find the first search and replace, and if I click on find next, it will find the next search. If I click on replace all, it will replace the all searches. As you can see, all done. We made 12 replacement. Click on OK and you can see, children, try it is replaced with just do it text. Okay, this is how you can easily replace a text with a new text.